Thank you so much, Majority Leader. Let's now speak to the Minority Leader in the National Assembly, Honorable Junet Mohamed. What was your takeaway from these budget estimates that were presented today?
First and foremost, let me tell you that this was the most elaborate budget statement highlights that I've seen since I joined Parliament. You can see it has taken quite some time, and here the Cabinet Secretary has gone at length to explain to Kenyans what contains in the budget and in the estimates and what contains in the finance bill that is before the House. And I'm very happy because for doubting Thomases, the Cabinet Secretary has managed to increase a lot of resources to where those resources are needed to go. For example, if you look at the infrastructure, 224 billion going to the roads department, State Department, 65 billion going to the transport and logistics State Department, education getting 755 billion shillings, almost shy of 200 billion trillion shillings. So I think this time they have put their money where their mouth is. And I think if this budget is implemented properly, it will change the lives of Kenyans and it will make this country move forward.
The CS is already there and he's ready to speak or bring it down to where the common wananchi can listen and understand. But before he starts, maybe quickly, we have seen a lot of borrowing that we're going to do in this next financial year. What do you make of it quickly?
First, so long as government exists, borrowings never end. So long as government exists,
we have to go to CS Mbadi. I hope you understand. All right, let's just